Hello everyone, this is Sammy from Blue Ring Pieces. We're going to make us a bracelet. We're going to use some of this beading string wire. It has 7 strands. We're going to use a couple tools, some cutting, some crimpers, and this is to cut to close the bead cap on it. We're going to use some of these beads from Jesse James, just really the part of the bead caps. So let's get started. We're going to cut us a piece of wire like so, like this. Piece of wire off, and it tried to escape from me. We're going to take one of these and put it on the end. You can also use a piece of tape. You don't really need it, but so we're going to slide on our bead cap the opposite way like this. And I think I'm going to start with, because I want to end with these beads with the little bird nest on it. And then we're just going to string. I'm going to put a little silver bead on here. They're pretty tiny, but I think they will fit because it's wire. And then we're going to string on, and this is random, really. I'm going to cut the tip of that off because it's kind of bent. A couple of these green and black beads. And then we're going to do a couple of these green beads with, they have like a black vein running through them. I string on, before we string it on, we got to put on a little bead. And then we're going to put on 2 of these. And this bracelet is random, literally. Just whatever I want it to be. Sorry, looking for the hole to put it in. So I'm just going to add one across to one side, like so. I already started up. I added this pretty blue bead in the middle. It also has like black running through it. And that's what we got so far. We're just going to imitate what we have on the other side. So we're going to use 2 of these, each with one of these little silver tiny beads in the middle of it that you can barely see, but it's there. I promise. Like so, like that. I'm going to string on another one like that, and then, but just a basic, I'm going to finish it down and I'll be back. So I'm back and I've crimped this side and I'm almost done this side. What I did was I put on the crimp bead and the wire jacket, and I just fed my wire down through some of my beads. So you don't want it to pull it too tight because you know you're not going to have any movement in your bracelet. So you want it a little loose but not too loose. So all I'm going to do is take hold on to my ear jacket right here, my wire jacket, and just pull it down some until all the beads are a little tight together, but not too tight because you still want some movement, because you still got to put that wire bead on the end. But you want movement in your bracelet, like so. So I'm going to pull it back just a little bit because I have to still put that bead, that crimp to cover on top of it. So we're just going to pull it just a little bit, and our bead that's where it's coming out at, our wire. So we're going to crimp it. And again, you don't crimp it too tight because you want some movement in your bracelet. And just crimp it down, and then you're going to close it together like this. And it's closed. And I'm going to add the bead cap on top of it. And I'm going to use these again. They worked pretty good this time. So I'm going to just put it on there and try to close it without it falling back off again. Like so. Like that. And we got it. And we're just going to snip our end of our wire off. And I'm using my big wire cutters because those aren't sharp anymore for some reason. And see, we still got movement in our bracelet. So all we're going to do is put on some, probably a toggle clasp, our clasp and our charm, and I'll be right back. Okay, all that's left, got a little movement in that bracelet, is to put on our top. I'm actually going to use this right here. It's like a hook. And steady the toggle clasp. So we're just going to open the jump ring. We're going to hook it onto our bracelet. And we're going to hook on our hook. Like so. And we're going to do the other side. Instead of the toggle clasp, we're going to use that one. And we're going to hook on that. It's like a thicker piece of chain. And the last bit is to hang on our little charm. You can put more charms if you want, but you don't always have to have a bunch of charms. If you like a lot or a little, we're just going to put on our little wish charm, if I can get it up, and our little cross. And we're going to hang that, not on where you're going to latch on the clasp, but on that other jump ring that's there. And we're going to close it up. And that is our bracelet. And let me see if I can put it on without needing help. Because the toggle clasps are pretty easy to put on. All you're doing is basically pushing it through the hole. And I got it on. And there is our bracelet. Again, like I said, you can hang on more charms if you like, but that's all I wanted on there. It's a little wish charm. Charm that says a wish with a little flower on there. And that is our easy bracelet made with the bead string and wire. Thank you for watching.